Hidden in dust and rust, a forgotten legend where aerodynamics enhanced. From dust and rust comes glory. Teamwork, skill, and patience rewarded. The journey is nearly complete. The tires grip the asphalt, alive with speed. Every rotation is a heartbeat of power. The beast awakens. Every roar echoes. Fire in the heart. Power unleashed. Speed unmatched. The competition awaits. Precision overtakes hesitation. Every maneuver calculated. Every second counts. Victory lies in skill and speed. Drifting with grace. Every curve conquered. Metal in mind in perfect sync. Racing mastery revealed. From garage shadows to racing glory, the journey of transformation, immortalized in metal, a story of restoration and triumph. Hidden in dust and rust, a forgotten legend waits. Once proud, now abandoned and silent. Today, it begins a new journey. Every crack tells a story of battles past. Time left its mark, yet strength remains. Its roar is waiting to return. Decades of neglect cover its true beauty. Metal corroded, but potential shines underneath. We will bring it back to life. Tires frozen in time, ready to roll again. Restoration starts from the ground up. Every detail matters. Inside, the years of wear are visible. Yet every component tells a story. This car will roar again.
The heart of the car, silent for decades.
Every gear, every bolt, checked carefully. The restoration plan begins.
A vision is drawn, a plan for transformation. Restoration requires precision and patience. The journey from rust to race begins. Tools ready, mission underway. Every wrench, every spray will revive greatness. From decay to glory. The heart of the car hides untapped power. Years of silence, about to end. We awaken the beast inside.
Layer by layer, the engine reveals itself. Sparks of life return with every touch. The transformation begins.
Old parts must go to make room for greatness. Every piece was replaced. Every system is renewed. Time cannot hold it back anymore.
The schematics match the input. Go ahead.
Securing the connection now.
Core stabilization achieved. We're ready.
Bolts turn slowly, echoes of the past. Time unravels as we progress. The car begins to breathe again. Layers of old paint removed, revealing potential. Metal gleams faintly beneath the rust. A new era begins. Bare metal stands, a canvas for transformation. From decay to perfection, the journey from rust to race is underway. Pistons and cylinders cleaned and polished. Every detail is restored with care. The heart will roar again.
Rough surfaces smoothed to perfection. The frame is ready for paint and glory. Every touch matters.
Tires and rims shine under careful hands. Even the smallest detail contributes. Restoration is in every move. Old parts renewed, precision restored. The car begins to hum softly. Life flows through every system. Every curve is polished, every edge is perfected. The transformation visible in progress. A masterpiece emerging. Glossy finish reflects light like gold. The car shines with new life. Once forgotten, now glorious. Torn seats replaced, luxurious finish added. Comfort and style restored. Every detail perfected. Every knob, every dial carefully restored. Precision meets aesthetics. The car is nearly ready for the track. From rust to brilliance, the transformation is real. Every inch restored, every detail shines. The race to glory begins now. The heart of the car receives new power. Turbo installed, ready for speed. From old glory to racing beast. Every pipe aligned perfectly. Performance boosted, every detail counts. The roar will be unstoppable.
Old tires replaced with high-speed slicks. Grip perfected, speed guaranteed. The track awaits.
Brakes sharp, responsive, perfect for racing. Control restored, safety ensured. Every second matters on the track. Brighter than ever, shining in the night. Technology meets restoration. Even darkness cannot hide its glory. Fuel flows perfectly through the engine. Efficiency and power optimized. The car is ready to roar.
Every gauge restored, every light functional. Control in our hands, precision achieved. The cockpit is alive.
Seats secure, driver ready for speed. Comfort meets safety, essential for racing. Every detail ensures victory. Aerodynamics enhanced, every line sleek. From rusty shell to racing beauty, Victory in form and function.
Horsepower maximized. Every RPM tested. Engine hums with fury. The beast is awake.
Precision tuning, every gear optimized. Acceleration perfected, every turn precise. The car transforms into a racing legend. Every turn, every drift, controlled with perfection. Restoration meets racing innovation. Mastery in every hand movement. Every curve shines under light. From rust to dazzling brilliance. Victory begins in appearance too. Final adjustments, perfection in every detail. Nothing left to chance. The car is track ready. The roar echoes, life returns to metal. Every component alive, every sound precise. From forgotten to fierce.
Behold the restored racing beast. Every inch is perfect. Every detail is polished. The race awaits its champion.
From dust and rust comes glory. Teamwork, skill, and patience rewarded. The journey is nearly complete. Identity restored, ready for competition. Every mark symbolizes a new beginning. The car is ready to shine. Precision ensures speed, safety ensured. Every detail tuned for victory. The track is waiting.
All systems go. The car is fully restored. Every bolt tightened, every wire checked. The beast is ready to race.
Suspension tuned for precision turns. Every jump, every curve, handled flawlessly. Engineering meets art. The car breathes fire, ready to dominate. Every spark tells a story of restoration. Speed is its new language.
From rust to brilliance, a legend reborn. The journey from forgotten to racing glory ends here. Tomorrow,
Nitrous ready for bursts of speed. Adrenaline in every pedal press. The transformation is complete. The moment has arrived. First test drive. From garage shadows to open track. Every detail is ready to prove its worth. The tires grip the asphalt, alive with speed. Every rotation is a heartbeat of power. The beast awakens.
hands steady, eyes on the horizon. Precision guides every shift. Control meets raw power.
Acceleration unleashed, the car surges forward. From forgotten to furious, every inch alive. The track bows to its presence.
Every turn mastered, skill and power combined. From rust to race, the transformation is complete. Perfection in motion.
Focus sharp, adrenaline high. Every obstacle is a test, every second critical. The race begins in spirit now.
Brakes respond instantly, power harnessed. Control over speed, confidence restored. Every second counts on the track.
Every roar echoes, fire in the heart. Power unleashed, speed unmatched. The competition awaits. Rivals line up, eyes on the champion. But one car tells a story of rebirth. From rust to gold.
Precision overtakes hesitation. Every maneuver calculated, every second counts. Victory lies in skill and speed. Speed dominates, rivals left behind. The restored legend shows its might. Momentum, unstoppable. Drifting with grace, every curve conquered. Metal and mind in perfect sync. Racing mastery revealed.
Competitors struggle to match the pace. Every second widened, every gap conquered. The champion emerges.
Maximum speed, maximum thrill. Power controlled, precision unleashed. From dust to dominance. Gliding over asphalt, like lightning. Every reflection tells the story of restoration. Victory within reach.
Mo, concentration sharp, heart racing. Every gear, every turn, precise. The finish line nears.
The final move, decisive. Skill and speed united, nothing can stop it. From forgotten to glorious. Victory achieved, the legend was restored. From rust to race, triumph in every inch of metal and spirit.
Celebration erupts, glory regained. Every effort, every detail rewarded. The champion stands tall.
Every scratch gone, every surface gleaming. A car reborn, a legend revived. From decay to brilliance. Teamwork and passion brought this car back to life. Every hand played a part in victory. Together they restored glory. The journey is complete, from forgotten to formidable. Every challenge met and every obstacle overcome. The legend lives again. From garage shadows to racing glory, the journey of transformation, immortalized in metal, a story of restoration and triumph. Every detail perfect, every component restored. Precision and beauty meet. A masterpiece ready for the track. From rusted shell to racing marvel, every inch tells a story of revival. Glory is reclaimed.
From dust and neglect comes brilliance. From rust to race to legend. The adventure continues, the journey is endless.